Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge and divide the rooms in your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge. So as you can see, this is our map. After all the tutorial videos I've recorded till now, it looks very strange, but let's not focus on that. To merge and divide rooms, we need to tap here rooms. Now as you can see, here we can tap this room to add this room. This is the charging area, and now to create a room we need to add first tap this gear icon over here, scroll down, manage maps, tap your map over here, and now here edit room. As you can see, here we can tap divide, and now here we can divide the room. This is the first room, for example. Take icon. Now as you can see, we have one room here, second room here. We can tap divide back again. Tap here, and we can here make the third room. Tap this icon to confirm. As you can see, it's too small. Let me do something like this. It's still small till now. Wait a moment, I'll get through this somehow. Okay, I think I won't. So I'll do something like this. That's how to divide it. It's too small. Okay, so I think I'll just show you how to merge, because my application can't, as you can see, get through division. Here to merge, tap this second room, your room, and tap this icon to merge. I'm updating. Now we have one big room, and that's it. How it helps you and the room. Goodbye.